Hey everyone, my name is Brian, and today in this video tutorial I will be showing you how to pay your confirmation deposit using Campus Connection. So first things first, you want to start on the UND homepage, which is und.edu. Then you'll want to hover over this My UND. Then you'll want to click on Campus Connection and get yourself logged in. Once you get logged into Campus Connection, you'll want to scroll down to the Finances section and click on this link, Pay Online Now. Then once you get here, click NDU Pay Online Now. And once you get to this page, you will come up to this gray bar towards the top and click on this link right here called Deposits. Then once you get to the deposit page, you will want to select your first term of school. So whatever term you will be starting school, that's when you want to select it. So if you're starting in fall of 2018, hit that one and then hit select. And then over here, you want to select your deposit payment, which is the non-refundable enroll deposit, and then click select. And then here you'll enter in the amount of the deposit, which is $200, and then click on continue. And once you get here, you will be able to select your payment method. You could go with an electronic check or a credit card. If you go with an electronic check, please have your bank routing and account numbers ready. And if you go with a credit card method, just keep in mind that there is a convenience fee of $5.50 for the transaction. So once you pick which method you decide to go with, you will highlight it and then click on select. And then after you click select, you'll be prompted to enter in all of your information, such as your account number and your routing number, and then all of your billing information. And you can also save this information for later use, so then you don't have to retype it in all over again. You can just click on the option. So once you get all of your information filled out, you will click on continue, and it will bring you to a confirmation page where you'll be able to review everything one last time before finally submitting. And then once you finally submit, you will get your receipt via email. So that's how you pay your confirmation deposit. Thanks for watching.